everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Cabra Group new launch project Cabra Tiara, located opposite Oberoi Mall in Goregaon East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and this is the actual land parcel where you can see the construction of the tower is in full swing. And this is the sales office of the project and this is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower with ground plus 22 stories, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Oberoi Mall, Goregaon East, from where Goregaon railway station is only at a distance of 10 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 3 minutes, Metro Station is only at a distance of 5 minutes and International Airport is only at a distance of 25 minutes. Also, you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with gym, library, spa room, party lawn with deck, kids play area and many more. Talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK ranging between the carpet area of 672 to 704 square feet and 3 BHK ranging between the carpet area of 960 to 1042 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Now, let's discuss about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh. So everyone, this was the teaser of Cabra Group new launch project Cabra Tiara, located opposite to Oberoi Mall, Goregaon East. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such teaser videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.